Hello everyone, my name is Theis and I'm the creator of the browser extension Voice Control for ChatGPT. Today I want to address a common question I receive: how to install more voices for the extension. In this video I'll guide you through the process on macOS, but rest assured I'll make a separate guide for Windows as soon as I can get my hands on a Windows computer. While I'll focus on voice control for ChatGPT, the procedure I'll demonstrate can actually be used for any browser application that utilizes the browser's native text-to-speech features. Let's get started. So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT over here, and you can see I got the extension installed below. The goal is to expand the list of available voices, which you'll find here in the settings under voice preferences. Right now I have two options, Karen and Karen Enhanced, but I would like to add a third option. So to do this, I'll first go to the Apple icon up here and find the system settings. You'll see it over here. Then I go to Accessibility, Spoken Content, and here you'll find System Voice, and here you can find Manage Voices. On the left you'll see a list of all the different languages, and I've chosen English up here. And over in ChatGPT I'm using Australian English, so I'll find an Australian English voice, and I'm gonna go for this one called Lee. So to install it, I press the little cloud icon over here, and it's already installed. So this one's a very compact one, it's less than 4 megabytes, but there's also some more complex ones that will take longer to install. So now Lee is installed, then I go over to the browser again. I need to refresh the page. Go to the settings, and here you'll see Lee now in the list. So this is actually just it. This is all you got to do, but there's a couple of things you need to know. Sometimes when installing a new voice, it won't work right away. If that's the case, what you have to do is to restart the browser. You'll need to close it down entirely, not just the tab, the entire browser. Close it down and start it up again. This usually resolves the issues. Moreover, it's not all voices that will appear in Chrome. For instance, on macOS, all the Siri voices, like this one, is not gonna show in Chrome, and I suppose that's some sort of copyright restrictions enforced by Apple. Unfortunately, there's not really a good way to figure out what voices are compatible with Chrome or not. It's not listed anywhere, so the best way to know is actually to just try and install the voice, refresh the browser, and see if it appears in the list. So this is it. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you encounter any difficulties, please feel free to leave a comment or contact me on support@voicecontrol.chat. And don't forget to check out the extension as well as some of my other projects that I will list in the video description. Thank you for watching.